everybody, it's Gracie with WTI, and this is Verona. Isn't she a beauty? So she belongs to Berliner Bags, and if I could just pick one company that I felt truly cared about their products, this would be it. All their bags are designed in Berlin, and each one is individually handmade. When I received this, every piece of hardware was wrapped and protected. And I could clearly tell this company put a lot of care and love into their products. So this tote bag is made out of 100% natural and genuine leather, and the inside is lined with 100% cotton. It opens up nice and wide to fit a variety of my things. It's got a spot for my pens, for my cell phone. It has a large zippered pocket on the inside, along with this super large pocket on the outside with a magnetic closure. And the best part is, you don't just get this one bag, it also comes with a zippered wallet that you can attach to this leash, along with a little pouch for coins, or if you're like me, you can put your chapstick or lipstick in here. This beautiful brown beauty is just a classic in my eyes. It can be paired with any outfit for any event. I have gotten so many compliments everywhere I go. I love that I can wear it as a traditional shoulder bag or attach the longer adjustable strap and wear it as a crossbody. And unlike normal tote bags I've had in the past that just flop over, I love that this one is very sturdy. It sits up straight without any support. And because this is genuine leather, each bag's going to age in its own way depending on how often you use it. This is definitely my forever bag. From the zippers to the stitching to the style, everything about this bag is impeccable. I couldn't have asked for better quality, and that's my point of view.